What's up, everybody? So I figured I would post a video of my current build, and if any of you guys have questions about how I did anything, shoot, and I'd be more than happy to answer for you. Let me turn my light on here. Okay, so I got my LED panel down here at the bottom. I don't have my bass remote knob hooked up yet, as you can see it back there, because I have all my amp gain set already with the DD1 Plus. So there's really no need for it. I'm going to hook it up, you know, just in case I want to turn it down a little bit while, you know, I'm listening. But that's more than likely not going to happen. And then I got my switch here. This switch kicks this panel on and off. It's got a Kenwood head unit. I believe it's a 5-volt preamp output. And let's come to the back here. Okay, so turn sideways here. So these two amp cooling boxes I built myself. On the left side here, I got the Soundstream 10,000D, and then on the right, I have, it's gonna be kind of hard to see because I got this massive sub box in the way. Okay, so I know my wiring's a little bit messy. As you can see down inside there, I got two distribution blocks, one for power, one for ground, and then I got my main 300 amp fuse running over to my 10,000. So now I got my electronic crossover, a Crunch 2000 watt over here on this side, and then down there below it, which is really hard to see, there's a Precision Power, I think it's a 300 times 2. That's running my door speakers. And then I have my box here that I custom built myself. It was actually a 612s box, but I modified it and braced it and stabilized it and put 312s. I have 3 Power Acoustic Gothic 12s, and actually for some Walmart subs that are 70 bucks, they do pretty well. I made the ports myself. They're flared using basically 4-inch PVC pipe and some body filler and just a hell of a lot of sanding. So let me see if I'm able to tip this. I'm sorry about my hand. See if I'm able to tip this box out of the way. This thing weighs like 200 pounds, so you can get a better view. Okay, so basically on both of these, I have a fan in the bottom and a fan at the top. Now, let me pop this one open. I have basically tool latches on the side here that draw these doors closed. If you open it up here on the inside, got my sub box dropping. There we go. As you can see, I have a fan in the bottom, fan in the top. Basically works off the principle of hot air rises and cold air sinks, so it's sucking in the cooler air from the bottom and pushing it up and out of the top. Down in the side there, have a hole basically where my wires exit out to the other one, and also right on the inside there, it's hard to see, there's a temperature probe right there. Temperature probe that's up on the front LED panel to let me know what's going on. There's a better view of the box. Again, the wiring's messy. So, but if you guys would like, I could do a video of how I built these boxes. They're made of MDF, you know, carpet. It's basic things you can get it all at a hardware store. I think it cost me, I want to say like right around 30 bucks a box, maybe. No, it was a little bit more than that because of the plexiglass I had laying around. So if you're going to purchase the plexiglass up front, you may be looking at like 50 or 60 bucks. But yeah, this is basically my system. I have it running at 2.67 ohms on the 312s, just because I'm afraid to drop this one down to 0.67. I just don't know if this amplifier will handle 0.67, but I'm getting pretty decent output out of what I have so far. Yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have any questions, just go ahead and comment and I'll answer them.